Sky and sea combine together to create a unique show. This is the beach of Vaadhoo in the Maldives. We are going to talk about a dream place, one of those places that, in the collective imagination, exists only in fairy tales or films. Instead, once again, nature amazes us and makes us understand that, at times, reality is much more fascinating and surprising than any special cinematic effect. When it comes to the Maldives, fairy tale sceneries immediately come to mind: white sandy beaches and crystal clear seas populated by colourful fish. There is an island in the Maldives called Vaadhoo, which has an extra peculiarity. During the night, it seems that the stars of the sky also want to indulge in a dip in the clear blue sea. On the shoreline, in fact, light waves appear that create a magical dreamlike atmosphere undoubtedly unique in the world. What is this phenomenon and what causes it? Let's have a dip inside the starry sky that dives into the Maldivian crystal clear sea. Even if they are the favourite destinations for honeymooners, the Maldives are also the perfect destination for lovers of snorkeling, water sports, for all those who dream of immersing themselves in unspoilt nature, swimming with turtles, or sleeping in a bungalow suspended over the water. In fact, it is true, every corner of this archipelago looks like a small piece of paradise on Earth. We are talking about 26 atolls and over 1,000 coral islands wetted by the Indian Ocean, located south of India and southwest of Sri Lanka. The atolls of Ari, Malay and Bar are the most famous destinations, but the places in the Maldives where you can spend an unforgettable holiday are also others. In this corner of the world, there is a place where the waves of the sea offer a unique spectacle. In the atoll of Ra, there is Vaadhoo Beach, where in the evening the stars plunge into the sea and the shoreline is bathed in light waves. The atmosphere is magical, romantic. What is revealed to the eye is unforgettable. This unique place enchants tourists from all over the world because a more unique and rare phenomenon occurs here, which has made its beach famous for its sea of stars. While it would be great to believe that this is indeed the work of magic, there is a scientific explanation for this phenomenon. So, what is the cause of the luminescent blue light of Vaadhoo Beach? Once again, it is nature that amazes. It is in fact the bioluminescence of the photoplankton that makes the water shine, making it similar to a starry sky. These are microorganisms that live in seawater and settle on the sand, lighting up blue as if they were small LED lights. To give life to this phenomenon, the microorganisms that make up the photoplankton produce an organic substance using sunlight as an energy source. The protein called luciferase causes the blue glow. This mechanism, which makes Vaadhoo Beach in the Maldives unique, is actually a form of defense that microorganisms put in place against predators. The explanation, therefore, is much less romantic than one thinks, but it does not detract from the natural spectacle it truly is. Yet you must also know that these microorganisms are very delicate and can only live in pristine waters. In other places in the world, the phenomenon of luminescence has no longer occurred as a result of sea pollution. Vaadhoo Beach is therefore still an unspoiled place. In 2020, for a few days, even the water of Newport Beach, California, have been lighting up with the characteristics of celestial sparkle of bioluminescence. In fact, on Wednesday the 22nd of April, photographer Patrick Coyne succeeded in his feat filming the evolution of luminescent dolphins playing in the waters of the Pacific Ocean. Hey guys, by the end of this video, please don't forget to pop in the comments section below if you know another unique show to not miss out in the Maldives for us all to know. Here's where the waves of the sea are transformed into a strip of starry sky. Millions of visitors flock to observe this splendid phenomenon and remain speechless in front of a true spectacle of nature. Silence is a must, but it is easy to respect it. One can only remain speechless in front of these luminous particles that invade the warm waters of the Maldives. The magic continues if you immerse your feet in this enchanted water and take a stroll on the beach. Looking back, you will be able to see footprints all endowed with the blue and luminous shimmer just like that of the sea. It sounds too good to be true, yet it is. The beach on this island is certainly one of the many must-see destinations for all lovers of nature and its beauty. In short, the ideal place to be included in the list of places to visit at least once in a lifetime. After all, who wouldn't like to be able to walk among the stars and admire the extraordinary panorama which stands out in the middle of the Indian Ocean? Before we get to look right into the best way to explore the luminescence with all the other things to do on Vaadhoo Island, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. Vaadhoo Beach is also a favourite destination for diving enthusiasts. In fact, even the seabed offers a spectacle worthy of admiration. The waters are populated with corals, fish, tuna, turtles and sea sponges. This makes the underwater universe resemble a colourful garden. You can even practice water sports, and evening boat excursions are also organised just to better admire the spectacle of luminescence. Bioluminescent fishing is another activity that can be practiced at night in Vaadhoo. Even the locals used to go fishing immediately after sunset. There are at least 10 reasons why you should visit these magical islands as part of Vaadhoo Beach, so don't forget to check out this video below.